The option of hiring somebody to do this kind of work is huge for this industry. Oftentimes I'll have CEOs come to me and say, hey, I want to learn affiliate management. And I will tell them, no, they don't. They don't have the time for it, and they're never going to make the time for it. The affiliate channel is paid on performance, and it is going to come last. Recruitment is going to come absolutely last on your to-do list for a CEO. So CEOs should not be taking my course. CEOs should be hiring virtual assistants to run these programs. You can hire a good virtual assistant and bill all of their hours for $500 a month. And you could run them through my course for $400, and you can make them a great affiliate manager in a very limited amount of time. And this is a great solution that I've worked with many companies doing. And that VA will go on loving that training. They might go on in their career and become an affiliate manager full time. So you're making great job opportunities for people and providing them skills. And those virtual assistants will become loyal to you for helping them improve their career. And you're going to get a lot out of them learning these kinds of techniques that I teach. And they're going to grow your program at a very inexpensive click.